ang head director ng NBI? Sino ang nag-a-appoint ng head director ng NBI? Sagot? Yan, president. Appointed by the president. President. Okay? Also, ina-appoint din ni president, yan, director of NBI. Ina-appoint din ng president ang assistant director. Siya din ang nag-a-appoint yan. Okay? So, ilan nga ulit ang regional offices ng regional director ng NBI? Ilan ang regional director ng NBI? Ilan? Yeah. 12. 12 NBI. Regional directors. Okay. Okay, number 5. The Bureau of Immigration is principally responsible for administration and enforcement of immigration, citizenship, and alien admission, and registration laws in accordance with the provision of ano yung CA? CA. Ano yung CA, guys? That is Commonwealth Act. Commonwealth. So ano itong CA number 613. That is the Philippine Immigration Act. That is the Philippine Immigration Act. So ang sagot dito ay ALPA. Okay. Ano itong 9208? That is the Anti-Human Trafficking. Okay. Ito yung 1002, this is the OFW. Anong rank? 11,200 yung rank. Rank daw. Ayan, OFW Act yan, guys. Okay, so number 5 ang sagot, ALPA. So 6 tayo. 6 tayo. Okay? The Bureau of Immigration shall be headed by yan, that is Bravo. Commissioner and 2 associated commissioner. Bravo. Okay. An elite force that is tasked to protect wait lang, di ko ma-highlights. Protect the President of the Philippines of all costs. That is the Presidential Security Group. Okay. Number 8. It is tasked as a mobile strike force or reaction unit, argument, regional, provincial, municipal, and city police force for civil disturbance control, internal security operation, hostage taking, rescue operation, search and rescue in types of natural calamities, disaster and national emergencies, and other special police operation such as hijacking, anti-terrorism, explosive and ordnance disposal. That is a special action force. That is the elite unit of our Philippine National Police. The elite unit of Philippine National Police. Okay? So, what is the rank of head of the PDEA? Rank ang tinatanong. Rank ang tinatanong. That is Director General. Director General. Okay, number 10. Is the power and function of NAPOLCOM. The following statement are true except ano sagot nyo? Delta Bravo. Bravo. Di yan trabaho ni NAPOLCOM. Di yan trabaho ni NAPOLCOM. Okay, dito tayo. If the annual quota for 2016 is 3,000, how many annual quota is allocated for women? Bakit hindi alpha? Ayan. Tinatanong kasi kung ilan. Hindi yung percentage kung ilan yung kukunin. That is Charlie. Sa online. Nakakasagot ah. Galing. Galing. So, number 12 tayo. Ito, what is the duration of the PNP Field Training Program? 12 months. Kala ko magkakamali kayo eh. Kasi last time, di ba? Dalawa yung nilagay kong tamang sagot dito. Yung 1 year, tsaka 12 months. So, ang sinagot ng iba, 12 months. Kasi nakaraan kasi guys, yung mga hindi naka-attend, ang nilagay ko dito, 1 year. 1 year nilagay ko dyan. So, ang sinagot nila, Charlie. Sabi, kaya ang paliwanag doon, basta sino ang nauna, yan. Sino na ang nauna? Halimbawa, 1 year yung nakalagay sa letter A, tapos si letter T ay 12 months, ang pipiliin nyo yung nauna, yung alpha. Kasi yun yung tamang sagot. Okay, so number 13. A division acts as a subdivision of bureau, which is described as the largest functional unit within. Bureau? Bureau, ba't bureau yung sagot ng iba? A division, subdivision of the bureau nga eh. Which describe the largest functional unit within is Bravo division. Division. Okay? This is the functional unit. Okay? Pag sinabi natin bureau, yan, bureau, it is the largest functional unit within a department. Kaya nga 'di ba guys, yung Department of Interior and Local Government, meron silang 3 bureau. So ano-ano 'yon? Philippine National Police, Bureau of Fire Protection, and Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Sa baba ni Bureau, meron diyang tinatawag na division. Si division, that is the primary subdivision, primary subdivision of the Bureau. The primary subdivision of Bureau. Under naman ni division, nandyan papasok si section. Si section, that is the secondary subdivision. Secondary subdivision necessary for what? Especially, specialization. And the last one is the unit. See, unit, that is the smallest functional unit in the organization. 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 Okay? Yan yung apat na functional units. Yung pinakamalaki, that is the bureau. Ang pinakamalaba naman ay unit. Okay, so number 14 tayo. Okay, number 14. In terms of appointment of of personnel, the appointment of police lieutenant or PLT to police lieutenant colonel is given whom? Sino ang nag-a-appoint nito? That is the chief PNP. Si Pule is general. Okay? Okay. Pag police, pag patrolman to police, executive master sergeant. Sino ang nag-appoint diyan pag regional office? Yan, regional director. Pag nasa ano yan, pag nasa national headquarters, yan ay ang nag-appoint diyan ay si Chief PNP. Okay? Pagdating naman kay Police Lieutenant to Lieutenant Colonel, Police Lieutenant to Police Lieutenant Colonel, ang nag-a-appoint dyan ay si Chief PNP. Okay? Pagdating naman kay Police Colonel to Police pagdating kay Police Colonel, tapos papunta kay Police Lieutenant General, ang nag-a-appoint na dyan si President. But with recommendation of Chief PNP. And then pagdating kay Police General, walang iba kundi si President lang yan. President. Okay? Now, let's discuss the highest official in the offices, no. The highest official in city or municipality. Ano ang highest official sa city or municipality? Ah, that is the position. Ang tinatanong yung ranggo. Ano ang highest rank? That is, yan. From, okay. From police major to police major to police uh, lieutenant colonel. Okay? Pagdating naman sa NCR director, ano ang highest official dito? Ano ang highest official dito? That is, yan, police major general. Okay? So, after ni NCR Director, meron din tayo NCR District Director. NCR District Director. Ano naman ang highest official dito? Yan. Diyan na papasok si Police Brigadier General. Okay. O, dito naman tayo sa ano, sa Regional Director. Regional Director. Ano ang highest official dito? Highest official? That is also the Police Brigadier General. Okay? Ano? And pagkatapos ni Police Regional Director, meron tayong tinatawag na provincial director. So, what is the highest rank? That is police colonel. Okay? Highlights natin. So, number 15 na tayo. Wait lang. Sige. Hanggang dyan lang muna, no? No, number 15. There should be one manager and one plan for a group of activities that have the same objective. There should be one manager and one plan for a group of activities that have the same objective. Ano sagot? Unity of command ba o unity of direction? Unity of command o unity of direction? That is unity of direction. Same objectives, guys. Oh, ayan o. Same objectives. Okay? Sige, subukan nyo isagot yan sa ano sa board exam, yung BRAL pa na yan. Subukan nyo isagot yan. Okay? So, number 15, ang sagot, Bravo. That is unity of direction. Okay, so number 16. What is the equivalent cabinet rank of Director General of PDEA? Ang tinatanong is cabinet rank.